Hello everybody and welcome back to Advanced Maths. Today we're talking about the order of operations, BIDMAS. BIDMAS stands for brackets, indices, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. It tells the order that we read an algebraic expression. If you've got an algebraic expression with brackets and division, you would do the brackets first because that comes first in BIDMAS. Division comes after. The word indices just means powers. For example, 5 to the power 3 means 5 cubed, which is a type of indices. Okay, we're going to look at some examples here. So, we'll look at these examples on screen, and we'll start with 15 minus 6 times 3. We're going to skip the brackets, indices and division because there's no brackets, indices or division in this expression. So we skip straight to multiplication. It says 6 times 3, so that becomes 18. And we get 15 minus 18. Once we've done multiplication, we do addition, but there is no addition. So then we go to subtraction. 15 minus 18 is equal to minus 3, and that is the final answer. Okay, now we've got 8 minus 5 in brackets divided by 3. And we're going to start with the brackets first. Inside the brackets, it says 8 minus 5, which is 3. So we've converted that bracket into just 3. Then it says 3 divided by 3, which is a division, and that comes after brackets. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and that's the final answer. Now, 6 times 5 squared plus 10. We're going to do the indices first, then we'll do the multiplication, and then we'll do the addition, because that's the order of BIDMAS. Okay, so 5 squared is 5 times 5, which is 25. 6 times 25 is the multiplication, and we'll do that next. 6 times 25 is 150. And finally, we'll do addition. 150 plus 10 is 160. And that is the final answer. Okay, so that's some simple examples of where we would use BIDMAS to do this in the right order. Now, let's look at some harder examples. We're going to evaluate these expressions by substituting in a is minus 2, b is 0.5, and c is 10. Okay, so we replace the a's with minus 2, the b's with 0.5, and the c's with 10. We're going to substitute those numbers in. Okay. When you substitute them in, I would recommend you putting them in brackets so it's easy to keep track of these numbers. So replace the a with minus 2, the b with 0.5, and the c with 10. It's a good idea, as I say, to put these in brackets when you substitute them in. Now here we've got a set of brackets, and inside the set of brackets is quite complicated. Inside that set of brackets we need to do BIDMAS inside. So let's just focus on that big bracket there. And we're going to do brackets, indices, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction inside. We'll start with indices. So we'll start with a minus 2 squared. Minus 2 times minus 2 is 4. So it becomes 4. And with a minus 5 times 10, we're going to do multiplication next. 0.5 times 10 is 5. So we have 4 minus 5. And we do the subtraction last. 4 minus 5 is minus 1. And we have minus 1 times 7. Now we've done the brackets, we can move out of the original set of brackets and we can move on to multiplication now. Minus 1 times 7 is minus 7, and that's the final answer. Now we've got 6 minus a squared over c, and we're going to substitute the a is minus 2, the c is 10 in. We treat the top and bottom of a fraction like this as 2 sets of brackets. So we'll deal with the brackets on top first. And we're going to do 6 minus minus 2, which is a subtraction. And because we're subtracting a negative number, that becomes positive. 6 minus minus 2 is 8. We get 8 squared, which is 64. And then we divide by 10, which is 6.4. And that is the final answer. Okay, so you've seen some examples now. You can now try these examples on screen. The green are a little bit easier, the red are a little bit harder. So pause the video now and try this yourself. If you need to rewatch the video first, you can rewind at any time. But if you feel like you're ready, pause the video and give this your best shot that you possibly can. Should take you about 10 minutes, but if you feel like you've finished, can press play and see the answers in 3, 2, 1. Did you get it right? Let me know how well you did in the comments below. Thanks for watching this week's video from Advanced Maths. Remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. We're covering GCSE, A-Level and IB Maths with quick and simple videos, and we are uploading new videos every week. We've also got advancedmaths.com for more revision resources. Thanks for watching and good luck in your exams.